Class 10 students, now I will do height and distance. Actually, height and distance sums will be very easy if you listen carefully the explanation of this chapter. These are two diagrams. Actually, it is same diagram. The difference I am explaining now. Let's say this is one tall tree AB, and C is a position where a person is looking towards A. That's why I am telling this is the site, that is looking direction. CA is the looking direction. One person is standing at C and CA is his looking direction. And this is the horizontal line, that is the base line or ground line. So the angle created by the horizontal line and the sight, eyesight direction, that is looking direction, this angle is called angle of elevation. I am considering this as theta. So angle of elevation, it is nothing but the angle created by the horizontal and looking direction. This is the angle. So let's say you are standing there, this is your looking direction and this is the ground or horizontal. So angle between them is called angle of elevation. Now I'll tell angle of depression. This is the diagram. Let's say one tree is there which is perpendicularly in the ground, and one person is there here in this point here and looking towards this point. Towards down he is looking. So this is looking direction. See arrow? And one line I am drawing parallel to the ground. This line. This is ground and I am drawing parallel line to the ground. This. So angle between these two. This looking direction, that is eyesight direction, and this horizontal which is drawn through this point. The angle between them is called angle of depression. And since this line and this line are parallel, therefore this angle equal to this angle. So I have written this is phi, this is also phi. So this is angle of depression. So at the top, angle of depression created. If anyone looking towards the bottom any direction, not towards above. If anyone looks toward the bottom of any place, not above direction, lower than that position, looking, let's say this person is looking towards this, so down any point of that person, so this angle is called angle of depression. Now these two are the very important things for height and distance problem, and these are the table required. This is the table required to solve it, because sine 30 degrees, sine 0 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degree value, maximum tan value is required. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is 1 by tan 60 is root 3, like this. This table you have to memorize, and these are the formula you have learned already. This tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Mainly this formula required, this 6, to solve this sum. So you have to memorize. Now see, these are the sums I am solving now. The height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Height of the tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. So first we have to draw the diagram. Let's say AB is the tree, this is the sun, so the shadow is CB. So CB I consider x. Then according to the question it is told the height is root 3 times of shadow. Shadow I consider x. So root 3 times into x. So this is the height. Now if I consider this angle theta, then this is perpendicular, this is base, because this is right angle triangle. this triangle is a right angle triangle. This angle is perpendicular, and this side is perpendicular and this side is base. Now if we take ACB triangle, then tan equal to perpendicular by base. So tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Now question is why I have taken tan. Let's say you are taking sine. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC, we do not need this value. It is not given this value and we do not need also. That is why I have taken AB and BC. AB and BC, that perpendicular and base, this sides ratio, we can use tan or cot. Cot also you can use for this sum, but I have used tan. So tan equal to perpendicular by base. See here, perpendicular value is root 3x and base value is x. X cancel root 3. Now root 3 tan what degree? Tan 60 degree. See here, tan 60 degree is root 3. Tan 60. See 60 degree tan root 3. So here I have taken tan 60 degree. Now both side tan cancel. So what is the angle? Theta. So theta is the angle of elevation of the sun. This is the answer. Now this diagram, actually we have to learn how to draw diagram. See this sum. Let me read the sum at first. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground at a distance 160 meter from its foot is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So angle is 60 degree. From the foot it is 160 meter high. We have to find height of the tower. So this is the height of the tower AB. I have considered this as x. This you consider, x unit you consider. And in the question given, from the foot of the tower one point C, that is 160 meter distance. So I have written here. And the angle of elevation is 60 degree, it is told. In the ground, angle of elevation is created, I explained it to you. Now this is 60 degree. So this is 160 and this is x I considered. So this is base and this is perpendicular. So again we will use tan because perpendicular by base, that is tan. So tan perpendicular is AB and base, that is BC. Now put the value AB I consider x. Tan theta means here 60 degree. Tan 60 value root 3 and BC value is 160. So if you put the value tan 60 root 3, then you do cross multiply. Cross multiplication, if you do x into 1, that is x, and root 3 into this here. And now root 3 value is 1.732. You have to memorize value of root 3. Now if you multiply, this is the answer. X is this, means the height AB is this. So this is the height of the tower. One more sum let me do, number 3. A ladder is placed along a wall such that its upper end is resting against a vertical wall. The foot of the ladder is 2.4 meter from the wall and the ladder is making an angle 68 degree with the ground. Find the height up to which the ladder reaches. So see the sum. This is the height of the ladder. This is the length of the ladder and this is the base. From the foot of the building 2.4 meter away, this ladder's foot is resting. So if you consider this one height and this one 2.4 meter, it is told, then height and base. Height you consider s meter. Then this is the triangle, this will be 90 degree. Then here again perpendicular by base. So tan 68 degree perpendicular by base. Tan 68 degree value is this. You no need to memorize. In your book, that back side you will see, at the end you will see tan 80 degree value is given. See from there and put the value. In the examination, one book will be provided. You can see this tan 80 degree value and put there. So this one no need to memorize. Now cross multiply, a is into 1, that is a is equal to this into this. So this is the height, and height we consider s meters. So this is the answer. So that's all for this video.